Hi! Now let's learn Titoda step. Titoda step is also very easy one and it's similar to hinge and very simple. Let's first start with our foot movement and then I'll teach you the hand movements. This is our starting position. For the first step, my right foot would be on the side, 1, then my left would be cross for the 2. Left again, back 3. Okay, now in the hinge we were doing this right foot cross, but here we will continue the movement with the left foot. Again left would be cross, okay, and then on side. These all steps we will perform now on our right. Okay, so now right would be cross, back, again cross. Now let's do the full foot movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now let's learn the hands movements. For step 1, it's clap. Now our left foot would be cross, right? Whenever left foot is crossing, left hand up, okay, and right hand down, okay. Now when this will go, our hand movement will change like this: right up, left down, okay. Now again when we will go cross again, left up, right hand down. Let's do. So 1, okay, now this, 2, again 3 and 4. Same on the other side. 5, clap. For 6, right foot back, so right hand up. Again left up when we are doing back, and then again right foot cross, right hand up. Now let's do all the movements together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As we have learnt in hinge, here also this step would be done in our position. We will not move forward. So to move forward with the big circle, we need to add some step. For this we can use 3 tali combo again. So I'll show you how does that look. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do this with music.